Hello everybody, welcome back to my home kitchen. It's Lori with the Produce Moms, and did you know March is National Celery Month? So we've come up with a really great recipe in partnership with the good people at Dandy due to Farm Fresh Foods. And thank you so much to everyone at Dandy for your partnership. We love working with them. They grow the best celery. And I know I usually talk about their trimmed, ready-to-eat celery in the bag. It's the #1 celery item that I bring into my home. But today we're actually using traditional whole celery, and we're gonna actually focus on using the leaves, which is super cool because I think that that's one of the items, you buy your celery and too often it's an item that we probably waste in our home kitchen. So we're gonna make a really fun, very simple pasta, and we're gonna do a pesto that's made with walnuts, celery leaves, Parmesan cheese, and olive oil. That's it. So super easy, very few ingredients. We're gonna top it over a pasta, and I think that you could do it hot, cold, room temperature. I think this is gonna be a super versatile recipe. I could see myself really using this a lot as a pasta salad since we're getting into warmer months and warmer weather. Oh yeah, I forgot. Put some garlic too. So garlic also in the recipe. So let's get started, okay? First step, we washed our celery. Cold running water is how you do that. And then I'm just going to get some of these. We're just gonna use the leaves. So all this in the heart here, we're gonna get that out, put that in there. So the leaves from approximately 1 stalk of celery. Yum, yum. Okay, that looks pretty good. Got a couple more leaves here. All right, and then I'm gonna add some walnuts. And the cup actually measures it for me. I'm gonna do about a cup of walnuts. Maybe a little bit more, that's all right. I'm gonna add those 3 cloves of garlic. And then this is a very precise measurement, a small ladle of Parmesan cheese. Okay, so that's about a half a cup right there. And we're gonna do some salt. Crack some pepper in there. And then we will drizzle the olive oil through the top. Okay. There we go. Let's pulse it first, get everything mixing up. Oh my gosh. Is it normal that I think it looks so good? Okay. So right there, that's a pretty good fine chop. Now we're gonna start adding the oil, and I'm gonna just leave the processor on as it goes, okay? You'll see it come together as a sauce. Smells amazing in here. Okay, so I added about half a cup to 3/4 of a cup of olive oil. I would say the way that this differs so far from other pestos that I've made is maybe it's a little bit more of a light green, and that's just because we use the bright celery leaves. So oftentimes most people probably make their pesto with parsley or with basil. Obviously those are much darker leaves than the celery. Other ways that you can use pesto, obviously entertaining and just celebrating everyday life with greasing boards is like, hello, it's what we all want to do, right? A little jar of pesto on a charcuterie board is fantastic, highly recommend. I also love pesto as a sandwich spread. It's so good in pasta. This pasta has probably cooled to room temperature. It can be used on hot, cold, no rules here. All I gotta say is this looks amazing. Oops. I've got a serving suggestion right here. You just take a bowl and you put the pasta with the celery pesto in a bowl. You get a fork, and you enjoy. In all seriousness, you guys, that came together in what, maybe 3-4 minutes tops? I mean, yeah, we pre-cooked the pasta before we started rolling here, but super, super simple and so elegant. Like, people do not expect something that looks this good and has all this great flavor to be so easy. Oh my gosh. I wouldn't change a thing. Maybe just some fresh diced dandy celery on the top for a little crunch, but it's delicious. So definitely coming soon to the producemoms.com because I'm obsessed. And hopefully coming soon to your home kitchen. And huge shout out to everyone at Dandy, especially Nicole, for her inspiration with this recipe. Take care, everyone.